Hey guys, this is our website where you get your premium app which you want. Here is Lightroom, Pixart, Crunchyroll, Remini, Lightmotion, and along with Canva. You have to watch the full tutorial in this video to get your required application. So let's begin, guys. This is a humble request to watch the full video for no any further problem. At first, you have to click on your required app or software premium which you want to take from us as a gift.
And then start filling this form. Do not worry, it's all safe. You are not giving any OTP or password in it.
Being negative when you should be getting after it.
Keep in mind to fill the form sincerely.
That's spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay.
Do not give the current password here. You have to only create the new password. You never filled it before. Select the age 18 plus.
You are behind the fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
Do not skip, you are just a step away to get the access, trust us. We are the Professor team. Click on complete my profile now.
Believe in what you got, it was built.
Now you have to fill this also, as per shown in the video.
Through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Click on do not activate and then on save my information.
Tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Now click on access to paid surveys. Now I completely understood.
You wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Now simply copy the process as per shown in the video.
Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is tactical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day.
These are the steps to get the Canva Pro, but if you want other software like Lightroom, Pixart, Crunchyroll, Remini, you have to follow these steps. You can get these software for free as a gift from the Indian Feast and Thirst.